Alright, hello everybody, and in this video we are going to talk about the fuel rod locations at the Magic Kingdom, what a fuel rod is, and how you use them and use the little machines. So without further ado, let's talk about fuel rods. So what's a fuel rod? So when you purchase a fuel rod, you're going to get a kit, and it's going to come in this plastic bin, and it's going to come with a fuel rod, which is the portable battery charger. That is what you're able to exchange for fully charged fuel rods in the future. It's going to come with two cords. One is a Apple cord and another one is a mini USB cord. So whether you use an Apple device, a Samsung device, you'll be able to use these fuel rods to charge your device. It also now comes with a USB-C charger, I believe is what they're called, so that can fit other devices as well. Okay, so when you're ready to buy your first fuel rod, you're going to hit buy, you're going to select your quantity. You're going to have to use either a credit or debit card to make your purchase. And once you've done that, a fuel rod kit will pop out the bottom. Okay, so now you're ready to swap. So once you've drained your battery completely, you can come back to one of these fuel rod stations and you can exchange them. So you're going to insert the empty fuel rod into that top location, and a fresh one that's fully charged will pop out the bottom. Okay, so location number 1 is going to be located right after you get into the Magic Kingdom. There is a gift store to your right. If you go in there, make a left, and go down this hallway, you will see 2 fuel rod locations. Alright, our next location is located at the Tomorrowland Power Company right next to Space Mountain. You want to go inside the gift shop, make a left, and then there is a fuel rod location immediately to your left there. There's also a second location further back in the gift shop, back by the arcades and massage chairs. Alright, the next location in Tomorrowland is actually inside Cosmic Rays next to Bay 1, and immediately to the right of the restroom sign. Okay, so over in Fantasyland there's only one location, and it's inside Big Top Souvenirs, and this one was actually a little tricky for me to find. If you come in though and you look directly to your left by the cashier station, it's right there. I ended up walking completely around until I finally found it. Okay, so this next fuel rod location is located inside Pecos Bill's, ironically right next to the taco bar, so it's kind of crowded in here and hard to see, but it's in the back corner. Alright, so that's gonna do it for all of the fuel rod locations at Magic Kingdom. Let me know, have you ever used fuel rods? Do you like fuel rods? I personally think that they are a must. They are in my park bag all the time. I find them really easy to use, and after you purchase them, as long as you remember to bring them back with you to the park, you can trade them in over and over and over again for new fuel rods. So stick around for more videos on other fuel rod locations and my top tips for Walt Disney World. Until next time, guys.